Born in Smyrna, Georgia, with a vision to redefine collision repair. Now our original Georgia Luxury Automotive location stands proudly as a 2026 Business Rate Award winner.
Luxury service isn't optional, it's expected.
Our standards are high because our customers deserve the best.
Every repair carries our name, so the details always matter.
We just don't fix cars, we restore peace of mind.
To our customers, our team, and the Smyrna community, thank you for believing in what we built here. This award honors where we started and drives where we're going next.